Hey there friends, I am showing you how to delete apps on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G using simple and efficient methods. Whether you want to remove a single app or clean up multiple apps at once, these step-by-step instructions will help you manage your phone storage easily and safely. Step 1. Quick method. Delete a single app. If you want to uninstall just one app, follow this fast method. First, go to your home screen or open the app drawer by swiping up. Carefully locate the app you want to remove. Once found, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a small menu appears on your screen. From the options shown, tap on Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure. Simply tap OK or Confirm to permanently remove the app from your device. This method is the fastest way to remove unwanted apps one by one. Step 2. Advanced method. Remove multiple apps at once. If you want to delete several apps quickly, use the Google Play Store method. Open the Google Play Store on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Then switch to the Manage tab to view all installed applications. Now, carefully select multiple apps by checking the boxes next to them. After selecting, tap the trash bin icon at the top right corner. Finally, confirm by tapping Uninstall. This method is perfect for freeing up storage space quickly and efficiently. That's all for this tutorial. If this helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Android tricks and updates.